Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to connect Spotify to ChatGPT. And before connecting your Spotify to ChatGPT, we are going to discuss about what are the key features and the usage of connecting Spotify to ChatGPT. Okay, so first of all, you can see over here, if you are going to integrate your ChatGPT with the Spotify, then what are the things you can do? The first thing, you can make a conversational playlist, okay, and you can ask ChatGPT to make playlist for a specific mood, activity or theme, okay. And you can also personalize your recommendations. You can get music, artist, albums, podcast suggestions, and there are lots of things you can do. Or you can directly use playback, tapping a recommend track in ChatGPT, open the song and directly in the Spotify app, okay. And you can also discover, ask for songs based on complex scenarios such as playlist on a road trip that include 90s rock, okay. So these are the things you can do with ChatGPT if you are going to connect your ChatGPT with Spotify, okay. So how you can connect? Basically you need to open your ChatGPT account and you need to log in into your account, and there is a section like apps, okay. And at the very top side there is a section of apps, and you can select app, and then you can select or you can search Spotify. And once you get the app, you need to select your app, and then you can click on connect. And once you click on connect, you can connect Spotify with using your Spotify app. You can connect without your account also, okay. So by using this way you can easily connect and you can get the benefits of Spotify in ChatGPT, okay. So these are the things. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.